Okay. The birds are out, and Kitty is stealthily hiding next to the bucket behind the hose because she blends really well with the patio. Now, as long as the wind doesn't blow and distract her, she will watch the birds. I don't think she would know what to do with a bird if she caught one. And there's the birds. I don't know if you can see them. There's birds up on the fence, and there's a bird feeder over there.
It looks like a Mexican standoff.
There's Kitty.
The birds aren't coming down because Kitty's there.
Yeah, there's no birds on the bird feeder, but they're all on the fence waiting. And she's hiding. And like I said, as long as the wind doesn't blow, she won't get distracted. Though a few minutes ago, she got distracted by the green bucket. And she just got distracted because Brian moved. God forbid you sneeze, she might run in the house. Kitty, there's birds. Are you going to get the birds? Apparently not. Because her ear itched. Okay. We're stalking again.
Back in position.
Back in. Oh, and she's not even looking at him.
She's falling asleep.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't think that's tactical. I don't think she's, pretending to look away. And now she's interested in the bucket again.
Oh, the wind blew.
And the wind is blowing. Will she get distracted? Looks like she might. Well, she got distracted by the bucket a minute ago, so. Oh, Kitty. Oh, and apparently she's got it. You're not a very good hunter.
What do you have in your ears all of a sudden? What is your problem? What did you get into?
Uh-oh, wind's blowing. And she's distracted. And yet the birds are still over here on the fence. Oh, Kitty.